Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a big Shein haul, which one of my favorite topics to do. We love Shein, especially their homeware, home decor. Anyways, today is not going to be a home decor video. We're going to be doing a spring, summer, like little transition haul video. I'm going to be doing it in a different format as well. Just going to be trying everything on and like showing it through a mirror type of vibes. So yeah, if you guys like Shein as well, then keep on watching because I have some great, well, if you guys are interested in this topic, then definitely keep on watching because I have some great little outfits to share with you guys. First item is this little tank top, just a little casual tank top I was wearing in the beginning of the video. I'm literally wearing Calvin Klein lounge pants and it works, but very cute little white tank top. It says like lovely on it and it has like just pink accents and it's very cute, very summery. Yeah, we love the vibes. Definitely check it out. And this is the first item. Next up, we've got this cute little pink like tube top type of vibes. It's pink and lace. Perfect for the summer, perfect for like a little festival or something. I'm pairing this with my TNA like Aritzia Malibu skirt. And yeah, this top is really cute. Fits very well, like, and I got this in an extra small and it fits like very nice. But yeah. Another super cute little top that I wanted to share with you guys is this black one. They literally have like a million different colors in this top, which I think is great. Like it's so versatile, like it's just so versatile. You can probably get whatever color that you like because they have a million. Just like put my hair in the back because like you can't really see it, but yeah, it's just a wraparound little top. It looks great with the skirt that I was just wearing. And I think I'm gonna get it in like white and pink as well because like it's so cute. Next top is this really cute like hot pink tube top type of vibe. I paired it with like this white pair of balloon pants from Oakenfort, but this is what it looks like. Has like this little mesh part. Has a little design right here. Really cute, and that's what it looks like with the pants all together. Very, very cute. The color's not really showing up accurate, but it's like a hot pink. Yep, so this is this piece. To all of my coquette girlies, next top, it's just this little light pink tube top. There's a little bit of lace and a bow. So it's super cute and, you know, perfect for the coquette trend. Just my white Oakenfort pants again. I'm too lazy to change, but I just feel like it also just literally goes with everything. So love that. So yeah, this is the tube top, and there was also like a really stunning and adorable red color, which I love as well, but obviously I took the pink and I just feel like my usage rate of this top is gonna be super high because like it's just very cute, comfy, like it's definitely the most wearable out of all the tube tops that I mentioned with you guys, but so cute. And yeah, the red color is also very popular, but I'm a pink girly. Next item is this little hot pink bag, and so this pink is just so cute. It's making me want to get the white one, but this is what it looks like. This is what the color actually looks like. If you can see, this is what the color actually looks like. But yeah, let's see if you can kind of get like a closer view of it. Yeah, that's pretty much what the color looks like of this bag. Super cute, and I feel like it fits so much, so we love that. Yeah, this is this look. Obviously you don't have to wear these two pinks together, but who said I won't? Like honestly, light pink and hot pink match because still Barbie theme for this summer. All right, this is this look. All right guys, last little outfit that I have to share with you guys, just a casual. This one's like super casual and cute, and I can definitely even wear this to the office in the summer, but I'm just wearing my Ganni shirt, but this little gray pleated skirt from Shein, and it's just like cute, and I had to roll it up like how I did with my uniform kilt because it's low-key too long, but I mean, that's good. Like, obviously, it's better to have the fabric be longer than shorter. You can get it hemmed or roll it up if you want, but you know, pleated skirts are in, so this one's just really cute. Matches well with t-shirts, very like office friendly, class friendly, and you can do like a cute little all gray look. But yeah, this look makes me feel super young, makes me feel like I'm back in high school. But yeah, this is what the entire look is. All right, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Kind of like in a vlog format, if you will. But if you enjoyed it, definitely give it a big thumbs up. And also check me out on my other social media platforms, always listed in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.